Introducing legislation to implement a national freeze on handgun ownership.
Fuck you.
What this means is that it will no longer be possible to buy, sell, transfer, or import handguns. We're capping the market for handguns.
You serious?
We need less gun violence. We cannot let the guns debate become so polarized that nothing gets done.
Fuck you.
I won't.
Even though things seem to be resolving very well in Ottawa, this state of emergency is not over.
I can do what I want. I can do whatever the fuck I want. I can do whatever the fuck
It hurts.